very interesting. Some things have come this time. Very, very interesting. माधुरी जी का डांस जो सरोज खान जी का ट्रिब्यूट हो रहा है, and that's also very special, which Deepak has done beautifully.
When you're doing a Saroj Khan act, you have to use her choreography.
I've learned a lot from her. She is someone who was so innovative for her time. She really transformed women on screen. In every song of hers, women look beautiful, sensuous and innocent at the same time.
Look at me. Go on and full force. 1, 2, 3, go.
The very first time I worked with Sarojji was when I had done a little song in Karma. Sridevi ji and Jackie Shroff are watching a shooting, and the hero and heroine in the shooting was me and another person with me. And the song was Maine Rab Se Tujhe Mange. That was the first time I worked with Sarojji. There are a lot of elements we have done even before we know what it was. Like in Chane Ke Khet mein, there were a lot of hand movements like that. And now today they call it tutting, when you use your hands to say a lot. So we didn't know what the names were, but we have done a lot of stuff with her. And I think that's why our songs are special. And this tribute is very special to her. Because I look at her as my guru for Bollywood dancing. There's a lot I've learned from her, and I will always be indebted to her for that. Whenever I dance, whenever I perform, I know that I have to do my best because there's so many people who are watching me. A lot of people say they've been inspired by me to dance.
And MD's done a fab job because whatever you show her, she knows it. She knows how to dance. She's great. So you show her step, she knows the step. She's going to watch you and say, okay, I know it. It's like that. I don't think you need to work hard with her. It's actually zero work for us. She came today, she did 2 rehearsals, she did 2 dances on stage, she knew her work, she came knowing her work. She didn't make a single mistake. Once if she forgot, she said, I forgot something. Next time she didn't forget also. She knew what she was doing.
In such a spot that I have to perform every time and do the best and show them what the next step can be.
I've also grown up watching like all Madhuri ma'am songs. Even as I'm standing here talking to you right now, I've finished rehearsing. I'm about to finish this conversation and run and do one more rehearsal. But it's so funny to imagine that I'm actually going to be performing on the same floor as like Madhuri Dixit. It's shocking.
मैं माधुरी मैम का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, तो इस बार मुझे माधुरी मैम को देखना एंड टू नो जस्ट कि आप उसी अवार्ड शो में आप भी परफॉर्म कर रहे हो जहाँ माधुरी मैम भी परफॉर्म कर रही है. इट्स जस्ट अ बिग फीलिंग फॉर मी.
You just smile when she dances, so that's the best part about her. Her expressions, her talent, she's full package of beauty, dancer, talent, everything. So I'm very excited for her act actually.
She needs no introduction. She has been the nation's heartthrob since ever. The Madhuri Dixit is right here with me. Welcome to IFA 2019.
Thank you, darling.
Tell us about your relationship with IFA.
Well, it goes a long way, long back, because I have performed on IFA, I have gone for IFA. It's been very, very, very close kind of a relationship.
Today is is very special for you because you're paying a tribute to Sarojji, and everybody knows about how special she is to you. Please tell us about that.
Well, she is special because our relationship goes a long way. We started working together. She's been my guru where Bollywood dancing is concerned. And it's a great opportunity for me to give her that tribute, to give her the respect and the love that I have for her. IFA has given me an opportunity to do that, go on stage and actually pay a tribute to the work she has. I have a lot of affection and a lot of respect for her. So it's an honor to be tribute.
From Tezab to Kalank, the charm, the grace is intact. Please tell us your secret.
Nothing. I just say what I feel. I'm happy. When you're content, satisfied with what you're doing. Also, I feel that I'm always curious about, wanting to learn something new, wanting to do something new, and I just look forward in life always.
How would you describe IFA in one word?
Beautiful, gorgeous. I can't say one word for IFA. It has to be many words, and I can exhaust all the words. It's just a wonderful feeling being.